Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Cuda Education. So, I have been doing some thinking and I've come up with a new approach to teaching Apple Metal for all of society. So, right now, we have been playing around with Modern Renderer, right? This is the most advanced application that's freely available from Apple for the sample code from the sample code library and all that stuff, right? And we've played around with lighting and fog and a bunch of other stuff with this particular application, right? So I've come to the decision that the best thing to do going forward is to basically build this project from scratch. Obviously, taking advantage of modern technology and all the things that are changing in the world. Things are changing by the second. So my approach now is going to be that I am going to start a new project, a brand new project in Xcode, and Xcode is the Apple IDE for coding and stuff. Start a brand new project in Apple Xcode in the Xcode, and then build up to this grand project that we have that I just showed you, right? So right now, um, it's basically fresh, but I did do some modifications already using modern technology and all that with the help of modern technology. So I think this is the most productive use of my time and effort, and it will also help you to follow along. Now, you guys should know by now, if you've been hanging around with the channel for a while now, that I sort of had this naming convention. So, I'll start this video with a new label, maybe clean slate or something, and then I do, version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4, so 1.0, 2.0, or 1.1 or 1.2, depending on, how close the topics are. If it's a slight addition to a previous video, or it's a new topic in the series, whatever. But that's one way that you'll be able to follow along on this particular thread. The other way is that I do aggregate all of the Apple Metal videos in a playlist on my channel. So if you go to my channel and go to playlists, you will basically see the Apple Metal playlist, and then you could just press play on the first video, and it will play all of the videos in series in the playlist, right? So yeah, that's just a common sense approach. I think it's a smart way of going about doing it. We understand our end goal, and we try to basically take a blank, clean slate, a blank piece of paper, and build up to that end goal. I think it's the smartest way to go about it. If you're new to the channel, this is a great time to start watching and learning, because I think this approach will pay a lot of dividends for all of us, not only for you but also for me, in sort of understanding the intricacies of Apple Metal. Now, Apple Metal is a computer graphics platform for the whole Apple ecosystem, including Mac OS, iPhone, TV OS, Vision OS, basically all computer graphics things on Apple hardware, modern Apple hardware. So billions of devices, billions of users, you really can't lose with this approach. And kudos to the powers that be, because they have seamlessly integrated sort of modern technology. You know what I mean? Into Xcode and into the development environment, so it's easy to sort of follow along and build things from scratch. I can't say that about necessarily other situations and other platforms. Again, I'm not loyal to any particular platform or any particular approach in terms of technology or what have you. I just want to get stuff done and learn, and that's it. And yeah, so this is Cuda Education, guys. You know what to do to help the channel. This is tough stuff. This is not an easy walk in the park stuff. And it's it takes time and stuff. But I think that we should all make the effort to learn this stuff, because this stuff isn't going away. It is a future, and we need to prepare and protect ourselves and all of that good stuff. So if you're new to the channel, this is a perfect place to get started and get your hands dirty in all of this computer graphics stuff. So this is Cuda Education. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.